Hello everyone, we're back at JNation 2025 and with me I have Ko Turk from the Netherlands.
Yeah, correct.
So Ko, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Ko Turk. I'm a developer. I'm working at CodeLab, an assignment at one of the banks in the Netherlands. And I'm also a conference organizer, which I do very happily. Yeah.
Right, so first thing first, so we're here because of JNation. Is this your first JNation?
No, it's I think my third JNation.
Third one,
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah, I really love it.
So what do you think about the conference so far?
Yeah, it's really nice. I just also talk with other people, and it's like it's pretty different, and it's nice. It's out of the box, like things you don't expect, like a metal band in the keynote, and that kind of things. I really endorse it. Yeah.
So you've been a speaker at events for quite some time, and now you mentioned that you also have become a conference organizer, so you can see the other aspects from the other side of the
Definitely.
fence. So you had your inaugural event this year, which is Box Days Amsterdam.
Yeah, indeed.
Right?
Yeah.
So how would that experience compare to with this event with JNation? Is it, or if there's any comparison at all?
Phew, that's different. Yeah, the JNation. I really love the difference in the keynote, out of the box. Great weather also. Yeah, the whole venue, what they do, like with that you can earn some presents and that kind of things. I really love it. They do it very differently than the rest of all the conferences, and I really love that. And Fox Days Amsterdam is also totally different. Other kind of people also, I think. Yeah, in Fox Days Amsterdam is more international, I think. Because everybody is coming to Amsterdam, and I love conferences.
So you had your session earlier today,
Yeah.
and so what was the topic?
I was talking about NASA's data APIs and combine it with sustainability, and that's a difficult topic because the one is like a lot of CO2 and that kind of things, and that's a pretty a difference. But we have a lot. We get a lot from the aircraft that we can use. Like we have like the solar panels. It's all thanks to the spacecraft, and we also have the super soaker. You know that, and all kind of the headset. Wireless and that kind of thing, so they can work together, and that's what I'm showing. Like, hey, that's pretty interesting how, one of the both can help each other. Yeah.
So when you mention sustainability, that has something somehow to do with Holly's opening keynote. That not being wasteful.
Yeah, definitely.
And trying to be
Yeah.
if you can turn off the servers and don't waste money and energy and
Definitely,
resources, be more efficient.
Yeah, indeed. Yeah, I try to have it more practical, like that you can monitor your application and that you can actually see what your application is costing if you look at the energy usage, for example, but also what kind of CO2 you can reduce. If it's coal, for example, or other things, you can all monitor that with, for example, with Kepler.
Is there any connection with observability, OpenTelemetry, Jaeger, and all these things?
What's observability is monitoring. So you have a Prometheus exporter, and you can read that with a Grafana dashboard, and the Prometheus get his data from, for example, from the kernel or from the RAPL in Linux, and they have also a model that you can if you are on a VM, for example, that you can still measure it. And that you can visualize with the Grafana dashboard, and you can make it visually what you actually, what you can reduce. And
all right.
Yeah.
So as you may be aware, this year is the 30th anniversary of Java.
Yes,
So,
I love it.
So what do you love about that? What do you love about Java or the 30 years, or do you have any personal story connection to this?
Yeah, I'm Sun certified Java developer, so 1.4 or something, and I see the language is pretty evolving, and that they also learning from other languages. I like the talk of Anna, and she's comparing, for example, the languages with each other and how Java can also improve there and what they already improved. You saw it like with Joda time they're taking up, and now also with Kotlin you see that Java is heavily investing, and that's pretty cool to see that it's like a large community also, and yeah, people embrace it, and yeah, the community is one of the best things I think, and I love the language. Yeah.
Yeah, this appears to be a common thing when asking most people what they like about Java.
Yeah.
Well, it's not just that the VM is a great technology, but also is the language itself,
Yeah.
the other languages that can run on top of Java, but mostly is the
definitely.
community.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that's the most of the important things. There are a lot of Java conferences in the world, and everybody can talk Java, and it's pretty cool that you can share your passion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Is there anything else that you would like to share with the JNation audience?
With the audience here, think about sustainability. I think also, like I like the keynote of Holly, and about the light switch ops and that kind of things. Think about how we can improve sustainability in our applications and in our architecture and that kind of things.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Claude, for your time, and thank you everybody else for watching.
Thank you.